Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Madam Nurdiana binti Muhammad Nurdin. We are from YZ Legal Firm and .co. Today, we would like to present about YZ Legal Firm and .co digitization system. So, first of all, this is our group members, Arni Amira binti Mahadi, Fatin Amira binti Shakir, and me, Muhammad Akif Izzuddin bin Abdul Shawmat. And next, Nur Aina Mira binti Muhammad Ahmad Nasri. And the last one is Siti Nur Shuhada binti Syakib Balki.
Hi, my name is Ania Miramitmadi. Now, I would like to do the introduction of digitization. Firstly, according to Gartner's IT glossary, the definition of digitization is the process of converting analog data into digital format. As we know, the definition of the digitization is change the physical document to the digital format. In this presentation, we will explain how we do the application form and how we scan the document of the candidates. We create our own application form. In the application form, the new workers have to fill in all the data about themselves. We also create systems which are being named as YZ Legal Form and Co that being created using Microsoft Access. Next, I would like to explain about advantages of digitization. There is many advantages of digitization. Firstly is by doing digitization, it can help to cut costs, where we don't have to spend money on buying papers for physical documents, such as for office supplies. Next, advantages of digitization are to have better storage capacity. Third, advantages of digitization are easy accessibility. By doing digitization on documents, it will help the staff to access the documents that they want easily. Fifth, their advantages is it will make it easier and faster collaboration. When we digitize document, it can make it easier for staff where they don't have to do a lot of copies of the documents because they can send and share the document through internet such as using email. Digitalization also can help to increase security. The last advantages of digitalization is provide digitalization can help the document to have better data recovery. Next, I will explain about digitization process. As for digitization process, firstly, our company name, which are being named as YZ Legal Firm and Co, will create an application form where new worker will have to fill up the form. The new worker has to fill in the data about themselves, such as about their full name, birth dates, their identification number, their gender, emergency contact, education background, and so on. After the new workers have done fill in the application form, they will give the physical documents such as their birth certificate, their all their certification to the staff, and staff will collect this birth certificate and other certification, and they will scan the document. Next, after we have done turn the physical document into digital format, our staff will collect all the information and collect all the documents that have already been scanned and key in into the system that we have created, which is we have created the new staff requirement system, which is being named as YZ Legal Form and Co.
Next, we move to the cost, duration to keep and backup. Firstly, for the cost, our system has been developed using Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is one of the most widely used database application, especially for the small companies. Users may handle all the company informations using the software in one location. The cost to build our system is around 10,000 ringgit. This price includes hiring a designer to design the system that we need and also get advice from him. In addition, maintenance is also included in this price. This is because maintenance is very important so that the system can run smoothly and well without any technical problems or interruptions. Next, duration to keep the records. For the first one, rejected job applicants' information will be maintained at least for 6 months. Meanwhile, for the former employees, there are three types of records. Firstly, the record of working time will be kept for 2 years. Next, payroll and information regarding maternity and paternity leaves taken are kept for 3 years. Lastly, personal files and training are kept for 6 years. The personal files include the resume, job application forms, and certificates. The last one is backup. Copying data from main to secondary location in order to secure it from any disaster, ransomware, and also any accident is known as data backup. There are two forms of backup, which is manual or automatic. For manually backup, we have to use an external hard drive such as hard disk or thumb drive. Meanwhile, for the automatic backup, we have to use a third-party cloud storage service. In our firm, we backup the records automatically by using Microsoft Azure Cloud. Microsoft Azure purpose is to provide every company or individual with access to technologies that were previously difficult and expensive to adopt. There are several advantages of Microsoft Azure, such as less expensive, increased security, and increased productivity.
First of all, the equipment we use is the cam scanner. Most of us are familiar with using our phones to take pictures of any significant information we wish to remember in our daily life. The phone album is then discovered to be overflowing with images of selfies, landscape, poster, whiteboards, slideshow, receipts, and more. And most of the time, we discover that it is very challenging to identify the pictures when we require some information. You should use cam scanner in place of the phone camera because of this. Additionally, users may use cam scanner to convert document into PDF format by capturing pictures of the relevant documents and exporting them in PDF format. Cam scanner save customer times. Cam scanner also offers users great clarity and high quality works when users wish to print their documents. Comparing the difference between image and PDF documents. Cam scanner is an even better tool for gathering data because of its can crop and enhance features. Next is for the software, we use Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access as our platform, as well-known database management system made by Microsoft. So Microsoft Access is a component of the Microsoft 365 Office suite. Business and enterprise users may efficiently manage massive volume of data and conduct analysis with Microsoft Access. The application offers a combination of database functionality and programming abilities for designing simple to use forms similar to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Access allows you to save, edit, and examine data, but as we will soon learn, Access has a lot more to offer.
Next is scanners. Scanners are used to capture of the image in resources in the printed form or from the microfilm. So our company, YZ Legal Firm & Co. are using a software which is cam scanner to scan all the certificates of the applicant before put into the system. There are several types of the scanners, which is flatbed scanner, overhead scanner, sheetbed scanner, and microfilm scanner. So our company is using cam scanner.
Next, we move on to digitization system. This is the main page for our digitization system. Our staff will key in the information based on the application form into this system. You need to click on the blue box of the new staff recruitment to go to the next page. This is the login page. This login page consists with two buttons, which is the admin button and the new form button. The admin button requires the username and password to log in into the page, while the new form doesn't require any username or password to log in into the page. Firstly is the new form button. The new form button will direct to the new applicant form that need to be filled in by our staff. Normally, human resource staff responsible to fill in all the information about the new staff in this form. There are two pages of the new applicant form that need to be filled in, such as the new applicant ID, full name, my card number, all the certificates that need to be uploaded, the birth certificates that already been scanned, and others. This new applicant form also contains with a few buttons, such as the rubbish bin button to delete the records, the save button to save the record, and the next button to direct to the next page of the new applicant form. Next is the admin button. When you click into the admin button, this login form will appear. It requires for you to fill in your own login ID and password to allow you into the system. If you do not have your login ID and password, or you are not the people or staff that work at the company, it will restrict you from login into the system. Next, after your login is successful, then it will direct you into this page, which is the new staff recruitment system page. As you can see, there's a lot of buttons in this page, but in this project, we only focus for the two buttons, which is the applicant's document controls button that contain with the details or information about the document controls applicant. But in this page also contain the close button, which is you can close the page and it will lead you to the main page again. This is the first page of the applicants of document controllers form that already been keyed in by the staff. The staff already key in all the information at the first page, which is the full names of the staff, the age, the weight, the height, the religion, the race, and other information. The staff also already upload the photo of the applicants and the birth certificate that already been scanned and convert the file to the PDF and upload into the system. In this system also, we have a few buttons such as the trash bin button in case we want to delete the record. Then we have the previous and the next page button. And then we have the X button to close this page. And then we have the save button to save the records after we settle with to fill in all of the information of these new applicants. This is the second page of the applicants for document controllers form. As you can see, this page also already been filled in by our staff, all of the information such as the applicant's position, which is document controllers, the phone number, the email, the address, the bank and accounts number. Then we also have the emergency contact information in case anything emergency happens. In this page also, we already upload the certificates that already being scanned by the staff and convert the file into PDF, and we can just click at the PDF file format and all the certificates will appear immediately. And not to be forgotten, the resume of the applicants also, we convert the file into the PDF and upload into the system. In this page also contain a few buttons, which is the X button to close the page, and then the save button to save the record, and back button to go to the previous page. At the first page of the applicants for document controllers form, we also have the search button, which is to find any document or any information that we want to search. Just click at the find button and key in your keywords and select the any field and find next button. You click at the button and any information that you key in at the keyword, it will appear immediately, such as if you key in the word or the letter S, and any information that related to the keyword, which is the letter S, will appear immediately after you click at the button Find Next.
Overall, the project taught us how to use some digitization techniques such as scanning a document to transfer it to computer and then uploading it to the application form program we use, Microsoft Access. Additionally, we are aware of the several kinds of scanners that will be utilized during the digitization process, including printer scanners and the scan scanners program. Since digitization is crucial to every industry, it increases efficiency, protects your data from natural disasters, thief or loss, and make record retrieval easier while bringing your company up to date with modern customer expectations. It is expensive to lose your records.